Okay, Leute, aktiviere. Still und heimlich geht's weiter bei Alter Ego. Pass auf. Nach dem Pub sind wir durchgekommen. Und wie schaut du aus? Hey Glocke, was geht denn da? Oh Gott, der Köter. Und Köter, was möchtest du?
I'd better think twice. I don't have the time nor desire for a dog chase.
Ja, Timmy, ein gescheiter Dritter vor dieser. Und Glocke, geht nicht.
It seems the gravedigger has removed its clapper to have peace at night. But he doesn't know me yet.
Was sagst du, möchte ich richten? Was hast denn du? Das ist ein Stein oder was?
One of the cobbles could be pulled out, but I'll hardly manage.
Ja gut, den kriegt er nicht.
It leads nowhere. Strange. Something
Und die
is sizzling
Gaslampen,
here.
willst du das abmontieren? Ein Gasventil.
Pity there isn't more gas, but I can't do anything about it. Pity there isn't more gas, but...
Ja gut, ich möchte behaupten, dafür braucht er Werkzeug. Mit dem? Nein. Mit den Münzen, mit den Knipfen nicht, oder? Darf mich wundern. Aber du sag mal, mit dem Korkenzieher. Geht da was? Nein.
It probably wouldn't hold me. It doesn't seem too solid.
Kann er da mitklettern? Ja, nicht, oder? Da sind wir der Köter. Kommt der Sticher.
I hate funerals,
The
cemeteries
cemetery.
and things like that. And that joker Brian knows it very well.
Da geht's zu der Straße, gell?
I'd
Und die
better
Tür ist
think
zu, oder
twice.
was?
I don't have the time nor desire for a dog chase.
Mit den Münzen? Nein. Mit den Knipf? Ja, nicht. Scheiße, häng ich gleich mit fest, gell?
It
Geht
can't
mir
go
gut
on
aus.
like this. I have to do something.
Ja, aber treibt er nichts. Jetzt klaut er die Glocken. Kombinieren? Nein.
I think one will be enough.
Aha, das geht.
It fits perfectly. But I wonder whether it works.
Die Glocken repariert oder was? Hängen sie mir ohne.
It won't be better.
Und Timmy, geht jetzt?
Someone's going to be really angry.
Ja, geht schon. Wie neu.
Who's bothering me this time? I'm coming!
Und wer kommt jetzt? Der Friedhofswärter. Höchstpersönlich, gell?
Damn! How come it rings?
Why shouldn't it ring? It seems all right to me.
It can't be alright as I tore the bloody thing out. The dead want their peace.
I don't deny it. I came to see you.
It is midnight. Come back tomorrow.
It'll be better to solve it straight away.
If Baker sent you, I'll smash your head with my
Ja, das sag
shovel.
mal. Ich geh drauf.
I told him clearly he'll get it by the end of the week.
I don't know any Baker. Will you let me in?
Just stay where you are and tell me what you want. Then we'll see.
Ich glaube, bei der Laune schafft er den Toten selber. Aber, wie schaut aus mit Brian?
I'm looking for a friend. His name's Brian. I bet you know him.
Brian, eh? Many lie here, so that may be difficult.
This one's alive. Was he here tonight, or did he leave a message for me?
Oh, I see. I thought you were looking for a grave. Do I look like a messenger?
Not exactly. I should have met him here tonight, but the plan failed.
You have no business being here at night. The graveyard's closed. My dog isn't used to strangers, and I release him at night.
Yeah, I noticed. I've probably come too late.
But just so you know, I haven't fed him for 3 days. He'd be right at your neck. Understood? So, if you happen to climb over the wall and look for this Brian, it'll be your funeral.
Thanks for the advice, but don't be surprised when it dies.
It won't happen. There are plenty of idiots who try to get in here.
Lunatic. He probably tried the same act on Brian, but he wouldn't leave so easily. Damn. I hope he's all right.
Ja, pass auf. Der Hund hat seit 3 Tagen nichts mehr gekriegt. Das hat ja in dem Bereich wahrscheinlich Futter, oder?
I need to take a look inside. Can you arrange that?
Are you having a laugh? How do you imagine I'm gonna let you do that?
Simply. You call the fang off, let me in, and I'll pay you whatever you want.
Whatever I want? Well...
Good. So we're agreed.
Wait a minute, youngster. I haven't agreed anything yet. I'm taking the risk here.
I'll take that into account. So, how much?
£10.
What? You must be crazy.
Take it as you wish, but that's my price. If you don't like it, we've nothing more to talk about.
That's just greed. I don't have that much on me. There must be another way than through money.
So, möchte er 10 pounds. Sind 10 pounds viel?
Maybe I didn't express myself clearly. If I don't get in, someone might have an accident.
I probably didn't express myself clearly either. If you climb over the wall, someone will definitely have an accident.
Oh, don't be silly. Do you want blood to run in here?
I don't. But try explain that to my dog.
Nothing can frighten him. Not as long as he has the dog with him.
Ja gut, steige über die Mauer, dann schluckt er mich. Oder der Hund frisst mich.
What a nice animal. What did you say its name was?
I didn't say.
You know, I have a dog too.
Mind your own business. And leave my dog be. Now, did you want something else or what?
It'll be difficult. He doesn't trust me at all. Don't worry about the bell. It works as good as new.
So what? You won't get inside anyway.
I'm not that naive, but I wonder why you stole its clapper.
I'm not telling you why.
I heard there was a funeral today, an aristocratic one. It must have attracted many people, journalists, onlookers.
You're right. So, what? They almost tore the bell off the chain, so I simply put a stop to that. Damn 'em all! It'll wear off. Nobody will remember Mad William in a few days, and we'll have peace again.
He didn't have any other name than this?
Sure. People also called him the White Beast, but that was punishable. There are fines for insults and stuff like that.
He was pretty nuts, wasn't he?
I'll tell you something. Now he's right under my nose, it makes me uneasy. I liked him better when he was alive and far away.
I believe you. I'm not surprised you're afraid of him.
Ah, you're talking piffle.
I was wondering why you talked to me at all. I'd expect you to send me straight to hell, but you didn't. You're standing here telling me gossip. You even released the dog only to have a sound sleep. You're just simply afraid of a dead man in a coffin.
I don't have to listen to this. And I won't.
Now this is lucky. The gravedigger's an old fool, and I need to get into his graveyard.
Ja, Mann. Kraus verhandelt oder nicht?
Do you know the Salted Cheek? I just came from there. I can tell you, I've never drunk such terrible beer in my life.
The Salted Cheek. Nobody can make me go back there.
The beer wasn't that bad.
I don't care. It just reminded me of a watch. A very expensive watch.
I don't get it. What do you mean?
Ah, is that man still there? Sitting near the door, asking everyone to play dice with him.
Yeah, he's still there.
Well, be careful with him. He plucked everything off me. My money, jewels, everything. What a swine. But I regret more than anything him taking that silver watch.
A reminder of better times, right?
Oh, no. It's not mine. And I'll be in big trouble if it comes out that I've lost it. But why should I tell you that? It's none of your business. You better tell me what you want.
Your problem's on my head, old codger. I'll bring you the watch, but not for free.
No, thanks. I can manage it myself.
And how are you going to do that? Do you have any money at all?
That's not your business. Why'd you stick your nose in?
I want to have a look inside, and the only way to do that is through you. So, I'm trying to reach an agreement with you in good grace. But £10 is too much, so let's do an exchange. I'll get the watch, and you'll let me in.
Forget it.
What could happen? Mad William rise from the dead and bite me, or what?
Don't mess, man. You don't know what you're saying. Damn.
I just want to see if Brian left a message here. A few minutes will do.
You're pretty pig-headed. Ah, to hell with it. But there will be no deal without the watch.
I'll come by later.
I don't care. I won't be asleep tonight anyway. Ah, damn.
Ja gut. Der lässt mir auf Biegen brechen nicht wenige. Dieser Sack. Der sagt, wir brauchen einen anderen Weg. Ja, bitte auf der Stein da. Du sollst mich immer wieder zurück. Zurück zur Kneipe. Vielleicht redet irgendwas. Pass auf.
A fair theft needs a good idea.
Kann ich sein Messer hier nicht, oder? Die dunkle Ecke. Was gibt's denn da hinten?
He's lucky to have fled, otherwise I'd lay him out again.
Oder was denn? Da wird was. Da ist immer mein Drink. Krieg ich den?
I'm not going to carry it in my pocket. The innkeeper will spot it.
Und wenn er wegschaut? Nein.
I'm not going to carry it.
Er pennt immer noch, gell?
A bucket of water could wake him up, but I doubt he'd say more than 2 or 3 dirty words.
Und in den Keller komm ich noch mal, gell? Aber das krieg ich nicht.
It won't move.
Ja, Mann. Mit dem Hackebeil hätte ich den Hund schlachten können.
I'm so hungry I'd eat boots, but I'm not gonna... I can't tear it off just like that. But
Ein
I've seen it
Seil. Wie kriegt die Seil?
These
Da war es
walls have
finster. Soll was Neues? Nein. Pass auf, der Pokerplayer. Was macht deine Uhr?
I notice you have a nice watch. I'm looking for a similar piece.
Don't try to pull my leg, milksop. I haven't taken it out of my pocket since I came here. The bastard from the cemetery sent you, right?
Well, not really.
You can tell him the price has doubled since last time.
How come?
I heard that the knives are out for him because of the watch. So the price increases, don't you think?
If they kill him, you won't get anything.
Doesn't matter. I have the watch, and crows can peck the gravedigger to pieces. That's life.
He won't let it go, that's obvious. At least I know he has the watch with him.
Play. Wer bitte mich spenden oder was? Was passiert dann?
I've arranged everything. We can play if you have something to offer.
You don't know what you're talking about. I'll pluck you like a chicken.
Well, let's start then. I'll try to win the gravedigger's watch back, but I guess I don't have much of a chance. That scum is either a great player or a great cheater, or both.
Und der gute Mo? Wahrscheinlich bescheißt er mich, oder? Ich hab mich sagen, ich hab ja abgesagt, der Lump.
I blew it. Damn. What'll I do now without money?
Hab ich meine Kohle verloren, tatsächlich. Und dann? Was geht denn sonst noch? Du so ein Bouncer, weißt du was?
It's not worth knocked out teeth.
Sie weiß auch nix. Ja, Mutter, schaut schlecht aus. Mit der Uhr.
I'd better think twice.
Aber es muss doch irgendwas gehen, oder? Mit dem Stur da. Ich krieg den Depp nicht raus.
One of the cobble. Pity there isn't more gas, but I can't do anything about it.
Ja gut, da hol ich nicht dran, gell? Geht nix.
Pity there isn't more. Something's slowly escaping, but I can tell only due to the sound. Problem is that gas doesn't. I'd better think twice. I'd better
Ja,
think.
bitte, wenn noch mit Leid. Vielleicht hat er seine Meinung geändert, ha?
Bloody hell. Next time I'll throw the damn bell
Ja,
into
malt
the
mal nicht
sewers.
rum, geh da. Noch geht fragen? Frag
You
mal.
were right. The scumbag is cheating.
So what? Do you have it or not?
Let's say I don't.
Damn!
He took me to the cleaners. But the good news is I have a plan for how to get him back.
Really?
If you could lend me some money, I'll get the watch back.
Are you mad? Where would I get money? Go hang yourself.
Wait a minute. That wasn't good. Not good at all. I shouldn't have tried to cheat him. Now I have to try by myself.
Und wie schaut aus? Hat er Geld? Nein. Leit noch mal.
I can manage without that.
Und?
I
Geht
can
immer?
manage without that.
Und der Köter klebt immer noch.
I'd
Der
better
drum ist
think.
zu.
It probably wouldn't hold me.
Geht da irgendwas? Nein. Sehr fix. Irgendwo hängt schon wieder.